Hey guys, I am doing a screen protector review today. It's for the LG G7. I've bought quite a lot of screen protectors over the years, many different brands. Some of them really sucked, some of them were decent. I don't remember all those brands, so I decided I'm gonna start keeping track of it. Just to let you guys know what brands you should trust for your next phone or for the current phone you have. So just gonna go ahead with it. Doing it one-handed here, open here. It says there. Ooh, here we go. Okay, this is a all right. Before I even go that, so the typical 9H hardness. This is a 2-pack. The brand is Real Tempered Glass. Is that really the brand I bought from? Well, okay then. Oh no, GPEL. That's the brand, GPEL. We focus right there. There we go, GPEL. So, Real Tempered Glass Screen Protector from GPEL. I'm gonna pull these out. I'm trying to get it out like this. Alright, that's much easier. Okay. I did open it and have a look when I collected from the shipping company. So as you see right here is a bit damaged. Not the best unboxing experience if I'm being completely honest. There we go. What does that say? We take pride in everything we make, except that this is too wide. But that's small. As long as the screen protector is good, we're good. So the 2-pack, two screen protector cleaners, and that's pretty good because a lot of companies, even when they send 2-packs, they only send one set of cleaning cloth. So here we have 2 sets. They feel pretty thick, so pretty good. Alright, let's just look at whatever else this thing says. Alright, let's say Real Glass Shield. Unfortunately, yada 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 yada. Was it 9 hardness? Sardis diamond. They want you to think it is. Fingerprint sensor compatible. Right? No, or is it not? I guess it's not. Or is it not water resistant? I don't know what these mean. I really don't know what these mean. HD touch HD. I think they're trying to say it's won't impair the screen, won't cause the screen to look blurry. Touch sensitive. It better. I should be able to touch my screen through it. Yes, and I'm guessing that means it's shatter resistance. I have no idea. Don't put water on it, and don't expect this to work with under glass fingerprint sensors, I'm guessing. Yeah. Unbeatable impact, scratch, and smudge protection. Maybe this means no smudging. I have no idea. Anyways. GPEL installation kits. Focus on that. Focus. Come on. There we go. So you're gonna wipe off the screen. Before installing, make sure the screen is completely free of dust. If become bubbles, gonna try to gently squeeze out the bubbles. They should disappear within 48 hours. If dust becomes trapped underneath, carefully lift the corner to tape out the dust using included dust removal stickers. What? Okay. Well, anyways. Oh. Dispose properly. They care about the environment. That's great. Okay. Let me open this up. One-handed style. Or rather, just rip it. There we go. Alright, not too bad. Not too bad. Go. There we go. So what do we got here? We've got the microfiber. It doesn't feel like microfiber, but I'm hoping it is. It feels coarse, like it hits itself would scratch the screen, but whatever. We got the alcohol cleaner. So this is the wet wipe. And we have the dust removal stickers. So you put them on, you peel them off, you put them on the screen, it sticks, pulls off any dust that's there. Yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, here's one of the screens. Let's slide it out. Slide it out. There we go. Okay. It's just a normal screen protector, nothing special. I guess it's special that it has this hard case on the back. That's definitely why it feels so thick. This is some hard plastic. It's pretty good. First time seeing that, so that's good. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the phone. Right, one more thing. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the phone. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll let you know how it holds up, how the installation process is. I'll take some pictures, include the next video review. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, like, let me know what you guys want to see. Have another video coming up pretty soon. See you next time.